Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the drive you will clear. Label it mentally so you do not touch the wrong disk. Once identified, you back up critical files. Do this now because secure erase destroys data. Make sure firmware is current, as manufacturers fix secure erase bugs. Update if needed. Open Disk Management or your OS storage tool to view partitions and free space, and write down the SSD model and serial for the Secure Erase utility you will use next. You now select the Secure Erase method. Manufacturer utility is simplest, but HDPARM with a live USB is universal. First, disable any sleep or encryption unlocking. You must unlock the drive or remove TCG/Opal credentials. Next, issue the Secure Erase command. This uses the drive's internal erase and is faster and more thorough than file deletion. While running, monitor for errors and avoid power interruption. If the tool requires a temporary, once the secure erase completes, you verify the result. Run smart tests and a quick read of random sectors to ensure data is gone and drive health is stable. Then recreate partitions and format with your chosen file system, and restore only the backups you need to avoid clutter. If the drive shows errors or the erase fails, make sure HPA/PSA was cleared and try the vendor utility. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer for RMA or firmware-based repair. This is the most reliable troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.